Hello, we're gonna adjust someone today manually, another patient who wants a traditional manual chiropractic adjustment. Your middle back needs to be adjusted. Take a deep breath in for me, please, and breathe out. Good. I'm just gonna turn your head. Side. All right, let's have you lie on your left side. Okay, well, that was your right side.
Oh, whoops.
Okay, the other left side. Sure, we can do it that way. All right, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Good, let's go on the other side. There we go. The correct left side. We're gonna bend this leg, this one straight. Gonna put your arms together. All right, and take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's have you lie on your back. We'll check your hips. Excellent. All right, hold this leg up. Don't let me push it down. Turn it in. Don't let me push. No, this one's fine. Okay, hold this one. Turn it out. Turn it in. Nope, hips are good. You're all set.